Yeah, I think oh yeah, here's B&P. Here it is. Wow. I think they're about to come up. Hi guys, here's B&P WAER. There it goes, let the chase begin. Alright guys, we're pulling up to Koehler and the lights have activated. So, here, stop. We get out right here. Fortunately didn't catch our last shot. That's good. Here it is. Exactly how the last one was, except it's going just a little bit faster. See, that's where we were trying to get our second shot from, but fortunately it didn't pan out. Here, we can show you the rest of the terrain here, because that's it.
It's only 10 cars long, and it's going at a decent speed.
Yeah, looks like this guy in front of us is in the hurry too, so that's good. So there it goes down the track. Alright, we're gonna attempt to catch it at least one more time. But it'll be hard to, so if not, this will be the end of it, yeah. You can see the train through there still.
Kind of went too far.
And yeah, it's right through there still. Actually, just probably heard it make it.
Yeah.
Like lights are flashing. There's the train.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, there it is. So I probably shouldn't have done that.
Alright guys, it's going slow, so I think we might have a chance to catch up to it. Alright guys, here's one last shot of it. Route 97 overpass. Alright guys, that'll be all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. From here on the Route 97 overpass in Waterford, Pennsylvania. This is Railfanning over and out. See ya.